Attach the side, front and back door channels. Using 10x16 hex head self-drilling screws through every second crest. Ensure the door frame is square before fastening. Then fit the lock-mounted plate on the other side of the door using rivets through the frame and door sheet. Install the pad bolt on the mount plate using 10x16 wafer head screws. Next, fix 2 hinges to one side of the door frame using 4.8mm rivets. Turn the door panel over and slide 3 bracing slats under the channels and fix to the frame using 10x16 wafer head screws. Secure the slats with 3.2mm rivets through to the pan of the door sheet from the front side of the door. Hang the door with at least a 5mm gap between the door and lower wall channel. Rivet door hinges to the door jamb using the 4.8mm rivets.